pry from the bottom. Try to release the tabs on the back of this mirror first. Pry out. Alright. Once you get that free, let's go ahead, lift up. Don't pull it out. There we go. It's still loose. I'm just pushing back the motor so I can release it from the top tabs. Pry off the power for the heated mirror. Try to remember which side goes on which side. I've gone ahead and marked the right side with tape just so I remember to put it back on this connection for the new mirror. And it's really easy just to get a smaller screwdriver and pry the cable off. Just like that. The two tabs right here will go up in here, and then the two bottom ones will lock into here. Here on the left is a new JDM Convex mirror. I picked this up at Subaru Bros from DJ. He helped me out with that. So here's a comparison versus the stock. As you can see, there's a lot more viewing angle on the new JDM one. We'll go ahead and attach the cabling to the new mirror. These are for the heating elements. Didn't know that. Just push them on nice and tight. You'll hear them click in there. There we go. Take that tape off. Actually, you know what? It's not going to hurt anything. I'll leave the tape on there. If I break another mirror, it might be helpful. So we'll go ahead with these L-shaped tabs, put those into the top holes first, and then snap the bottom in. Alright, top's in. Now we just have to push the bottom, and rather than getting my fingerprints all over it, I'll pick up a towel. Just go ahead and snap in the bottom. Overall, this is a super easy install.